A warning from Byron police have some neighbors talking. Police asked people in town who had salespeople coming to their door to call 911. That's led to a lot of questions about the city's rules on door-to-door sales and what you should do if someone comes knocking. Carmen Brown joins us in studio to talk about what's required for solicitors and your rights as a homeowner.
Hey, good evening, Lori. So today I spoke with Byron Police Chief Wesley Cannon. He says Byron rules on soliciting do not apply to lemonade stands or Girl Scout cookie sales. They're for businesses going door to door, trying to drum up sales. So what does it take to legally land a customer at the front door? I set out to verify, so let's take a look. If you live in Byron, you may have seen a recent warning from police about door-to-door sales.
One group that we got a call on the other day, the complainant was really worried about how forceful this one salesman was being. He was not taking no for an answer.
So we set out to verify, is door-to-door soliciting legal in Byron? Our sources, Police Chief Wesley Cannon and City of Byron ordinances. Every spring and summer, when the weather warms up, salespeople are a common sight in Byron neighborhoods. Think security systems, pest control, or roofing companies going door to door. But before they can try to earn your business, the city says they need to follow important steps.
We want the information from the people doing the sales. That way, if there is a problem or if a crime is committed, we have information to maybe track back and solve it.
Cannon says the city requires all professional solicitors to get a peddler's license. That means providing detailed information to City Hall to be placed on the city's solicitation registry. The city says these rules are about safety and fairness, helping protect residents from scams or unwanted pressure.
Because we've seen people posing as door-to-door salesmen or selling this product, and really they're there just to maybe commit a crime, commit a theft. And that can be a dangerous situation.
There are exceptions, kids selling for school or fundraisers, but if you want to avoid solicitors altogether, you can get added to Byron's no-contact list. Cannon says even licensed salespeople must skip those homes.
You don't have any right then to solicit at that residence. And if you do, even with a permit, you can be fined.
So we can verify, yes, door-to-door soliciting is legal in Byron if you have a city-approved permit. And so here's something else you should know. Byron's peddler license isn't just for out-of-town companies. Even local businesses must apply and pay the daily fee of around $100. That's if they want to go door to door. These rules are just specific to Byron, so if you want more information, you should find out about your city or county's ordinance. Lori, back to you.
Thank you, Carmen. If someone comes to your door, the Georgia Attorney General's Consumer Protection Office says you can ask for their ID. They also say you don't have to let that person in, and you can post a no soliciting sign to prevent unwanted visits. Have something you want verified? Reach out to us on Facebook, X, or send an email to news@13wmaz.com.